Hey everybody, my name is Chris, Minelab Detexpert. Today I'm hunting with the Minelab Vanquish 540. Let's see which treasures we get today. Follow me, come on. So today's best find was a silver coin from 1742 in a really nice condition. I'm quite happy. Let's go detecting.